Hey guys, welcome to the video today. In today's video, I wanted to do a review on this Zinus Marissa full-size wood bed frame. And we bought this on Amazon, and we previously bought another one of these on Amazon. We bought the king-size version of this bed frame, and we've been happy with it, so we decided to buy the full-size version of this bed frame for this room. And before we begin, I wanted to let you know a couple of things. First, when you move this around and when you assemble it, make sure that you're wearing the proper safety equipment and take all safety precautions, and read and follow all of the instructions and warnings, and ask for help if you need it. And second, I do have an assembly video of the king-size version of this bed frame. And I'll link that video at the end of this one. And if you're interested and have time, please check that video out. In my opinion, the assembly process for the king-size version of this bed frame and the full-size version of this bed frame are similar. All right, guys, so let me give you some of my opinions on the different things about this bed frame. First, I think that the bed frame is pretty easy to assemble, and I don't think that it took that long, but you do want to take your time because you don't want to scratch or hurt any of the wood on the bed frame. But even with that in mind, I don't think that it took too long. Next, I really like the wood look of this bed frame, and it looks really nice. The color that we chose is Antique Espresso. Okay, so next, this is a 12-inch bed frame. All right, guys, so from the floor to the top of the bed frame is roughly 12 inches. And we have to keep in mind that the bed frame is sunk into the carpet a little bit from the weight of the bed frame. So if I push the ruler down, it gets closer to 12 inches there. And then if I set the ruler on the carpet here to this part of the bed frame is roughly 6 inches. And on this bed frame, we plan to get some under the bed storage and store some things underneath the bed frame. All right, guys, so those are some of the different things that I think about this Zinus Marissa full-size wood bed frame, and I really like this bed frame, and I'm hoping that if we take good care of it, it will last a lifetime for us. And there's non-slip tape on 2 different places on the bed frame, and you want to make sure to peel off the upper strip before you put the mattress onto the bed frame. Just make sure that you don't peel off the non-slip tape. All right, guys, and we also bought separately on Amazon the Zinus Green Tea 12-inch full-size memory foam mattress, and I plan to make a video of the unboxing of that, and when I do make that video, I'll link it at the end of this one, and if you're interested and have time, please check that video out. I also will link the assembly video of the king-size version of this bed frame at the end of this video, and if that's something that you're interested in, please check that video out. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and I hope to see you guys in the next video. Have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment, and if you have the time, check out these other great videos.